Alright guys, Ken's gonna be here for 10 minutes up to 1:50 in the afternoon. So first of all, I toasting the chopped walnuts in the skillet. It's gonna be nice and fragrant. And also you have the red lentils or green lentils that I just already prepared. It's gonna be nice and tender. I want to make sure the water is gonna be absorbed. And also got the white bulgurs, or you can also use the quinoa because I don't want to burn the bulgurs. I just flop it with a fork to give it a nice and tenderizing. It just looks like rice. You can see the burns on bottom, but I'm not sure this is quite gonna work for it. Let me move this over here. I'm just gonna get covered to keep that warm. I have only 5 ounces of baby arugula, and arugula, what that says, it says 8 ounces of arugula. I'm using for the baby arugula. It's perfect for cooking and salad. This is for the natural promise organic. And got some tomatoes on it. And I'm not quite sure what type of tomatoes on it. I usually only about the bigger or beef tomatoes. And we actually said about the grape tomatoes with the Turkish salad. And also got some fresh mints. And we could just wash it over here. And let me get this one going here. I have only one large cucumber or two. I got the lemon ready to go. Got some extra virgin olive oil, salt, and black pepper. And also red onions, gonna need for that. And oh yeah, also need some. I have only the Joy Bar sesame tahini, creamy puree of roasted sesame seeds. And I see what John's here. And I also got the pomegranate. I only have 125 grams and 4.4 ounce. And we'll be ready to start preparing for the salad. We're using the arugula. Alright, so I just chopped out some of those big tomatoes for it.
Ready?
And looks like this one.
We can put and the lentils and the bulgur in the bowl.
Cucumbers, I removed the seeds.
And then we can add our other ingredients.
Also other ingredients and
also the walnuts?
Yes.
Let me give this to
John, it sounds like we need a huge bowl.
So let's put
my
some.
bowl is huge enough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Big one.
Okay.
You can see the lentils is already just nice and soft and together. Lentils and the bulgurs go first. And let's put this in here.
How's the weather in New York like? Very beautiful today. Cool, actually.
The bulgurs were
What about
quinoa.
the virus?
Yeah, you can see got birds over here.
It's getting better.
Nice.
It's better in New York, but it's sprouting up in other places like Texas and Arizona.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Because they didn't take
I'll
precautions.
just ignore that birds.
Yeah. It was going down here and it was like almost.
Okay, John, I got the lentils and the bulgurs or quinoa.
Since 3 days, it's going up again.
Oh wow, really?
I have a feeling that we started normalizing too soon.
Yes.
And I mean, people don't really care now, to be honest.
Okay.
And they think like normalizing is like it means the virus is
Okay.
over.
Yeah.
So also we got, I forgot to tell you about the red onions.
Stop wearing masks.
I put it into the food processor. It gave a chop.
Okay.
You can see it's got gray, but that's alright.
I didn't know you have to wear masks in Turkey, but that's a good thing.
Like it's a must.
Okay, cool.
And you can add your tomato, cucumber, mint, and onions. You can add them all.
Alright,
All
let's
together.
put that right together. That goes to tomatoes, cucumber, and put that here. Oh
How
yeah,
much you
gotta mention about the onions. You see, I could preserve the juices
How
on,
much left?
or
How much
I'm
left?
gonna remove that.
Did you boil them all? I said like half.
Yes, we boiled them. I have a lot. How much do we put in?
I mean, I boiled like half cup and I put them all.
Okay, and this, what about the quinoa?
Same, like I think it was also, yes, it was also half cup.
Okay.
And the arugula I'm missing, John.
You don't have it?
The rest?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We have to put it in the salad now, arugula.
Yes. And if you guys think that it's too much bulgur or like quinoa or lentils, you can always like freeze them in the freezer and you can take them whatever you want to use.
Hey, fresh mints. This is for use it for. I just already chop this in together, or even slice it. But let's put that in.
Yeah, exactly. Like you can always
Yeah,
switch around things and you know, it's really up to you.
Right, looking good.
Okay.
I looks nice too. I like it.
Oh man, that.
And with the dressing, it's gonna be even nicer.
Hey, Anya's gonna make me cry.
Raya, you should go for a picnic with this, or take it with you. Whenever, where are you going after this?
Yeah, I'm hoping to take a bike ride to Astoria Park and have a socially distant picnic with Chantal.
Oh, right.
I miss her.
Thank you.
Oh, she's
dear.
so nice. I really like her.
Whew, man, John, Anya's gonna make me cry a lot.
How was your picnic? Oh, darn it.
You're one.
How was your picnic the other day? It looked so sweet.
Oh, it was so nice. It's one of the famous park in Istanbul, and all the how to say
Okay, let me see what that is.
like I would call it's just my term. Say others park.
Hey John, I just already toasting the walnuts into the skillet. How's it look? It's nice and fragrant.
It's just like you can be you can do whatever you want in that park. You can just be yourself all the time.
Oh, great.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Let's put some walnuts in here. This is
Yeah, like, it's just-
chopped.
Like everybody's doing whatever they want, and it's super peaceful environment. I love it. People are so
And
nice.
I'm gonna open up the pomegranate.
It's called Machka Park. It's a Turkish name.
It's in Istanbul?
Yes. But it was nice. It was nice, but it was crowded. But social distancing, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Yeah, and especially now, anytime you're in a crowd, it feels overwhelming. And there are a lot of people. I just think that
Yes.
I've been around a lot of people for a long time, so.
Yeah.
uh,
And there are people who don't really care and like getting closer to you.
yeah.
That's the most annoying thing. Like you don't want to say something, you know.
Say something.
At the same time, you want to
So
say
let's get prepared for the
something.
salad dressing.
It's just,
Okay, we're going to make
okay.
a dressing,
So,
salad dressing, the Turkish
About-
salad dressing.
two
Let me
ladies
try
were
first one. It says
stealing
one
the
lemon.
syrup
I'm gonna
bottle
give you
from us.
a juicer.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Let me just
Yes, I
squeeze it
remember
in
that.
here.
And I nicely asked them if they can give it back, but they were
Get
hiding
the seeds
the
to
syrup
catch it
under
into
the
it.
table. And they just didn't want to give it back because
Let's
they
give it
wanted
another
to
half.
use more and more.
Yeah.
I told them like it's for all of us, not only for them.
Yes.
But they really didn't care. And the end is
Yeah, making some waffles. Waffles, I think.
Just,
and
she
what
was
else you
taking
got
care
here?
of me so much. She was like,
Oh,
she
oil,
was,
the extra
she was
jar.
telling them it's our syrup.
There we go. That's about a fourth
And
cup.
she was
Well,
like,
like, is that for waffles and pancakes?
yes. They were hiding it under the table
Salt
because they just
and,
didn't give it to us.
Yeah. Yeah, she was like, oh, look, I was missing the lady. You let me tell her.
If you like tahini, let me just get this going here.
Maybe we can start for dressing?
Yes.
Okay. Their quinoa is broken apart.
That's good. I think it looks terrific.
You see the rings of lemon?
Yeah, I love it. Isn't it cute? It's like
Yeah.
Alright. So I have 1 lemon.
Can I move my phone now?
one lemon.
Are you guys gonna use the tahini?
Yes.
Yeah, I have it.
Perfect. Okay, so let's start with tahini.
I'm gonna move my phone to that.
I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons.
Got a lot of oil in here.
And then we can taste it all. If it's not enough, we can always.
Hey, I done this real quick.
Yeah,
Hey, John, I done this real quick. How's it look like?
Perfect.
Hey. So let's
2 tablespoons.
Sorry, John, I missed it. What did you say?
Say it again.
I missed it. What did you say? I missed the start of the dressing.
So we're gonna start with 2 tablespoons of tahini if you're using.
Yeah.
So I can add a dressing onto the salad, right?
what's that?
That's the tahini.
So guys, I'm just saying that if you're not really into lemon, I mean I am super into lemon, so I'm gonna use the whole one, like 1 lemon. But if you really don't want to use the whole, you can use the half, and then after we taste, you can add more.
I use a whole lemon.
Yeah, that's
You're just squeezing the lemon in?
Yes.
So, John, can I put the salad dressing into those of the... Wait, I forgot the arugula. I forgot that.
You wanna use?
Oh, yeah, the arugula for one?
Huh?
Yeah, the arugula. Oh, they love this. It's so cute.
You said a different one than you were thinking.
That's
Yeah,
good.
the arugula.
Hey, John, don't forget to put arugula for that.
This is good because it'll go in the bowl, right? Is that okay?
Hang on. Let me just move this arugula.
How much lemon are we using?
The whole thing.
Mhm.
You're making the Turkish thing. Yeah.
John,
Yes.
I'll do
the
it.
tahini is sort of very thick on the bottom.
Okay.
But more liquidy on the top. So since we're using dressing, should I just use the liquidy part or should I stir it? I've never worked with it before.
So tahini, when it's waiting for a while, the oil from the sesame seeds, it's coming out. So
Okay.
basically, on the top, it's the oil from the sesame seeds.
Okay.
So before you put, you can mix them all together, and then
Sorry.
take 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Because I usually mix them before I take some.
Hey, John, you forgot to put arugula into the salad? Or the dress is going to be put into it?
So I'm gonna
Is it done?
Turn it.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, arugula is going. Yeah, I missed the pipe.
Ask him how much arugula.
How much arugula, John? What?
I mean, I'm using
I have only 5 ounces of arugula.
system. I really don't get,
A few
John,
ones.
how much
but I put
arugula?
like 1 pack,
How much arugula, John?
like 1 pack.
1 pack mine.
Is that the correct way to say?
Well, my box was really big, so I just used a few full hands of arugula.
Perfect.
What is it? How much arugula is it?
John, how
Yes.
many tablespoons of oil?
How many tablespoons of what? Like
Of
tahini?
oil. Yeah.
Oil?
A quarter
I
cup.
put with my eyes, but you can use like 4 or 5 tablespoons.
Okay.
Look at.
Focus on
Wow, I can invite all my neighbors now. I have so much salad.
Yeah.
Guys, you can keep this for like 3 days. Should be
Oh.
fine.
You that?
Lovely, I love it.
And it looks like I need a bigger
Also,
bowl.
another thing,
Hey, look, John, look.
like
Wait.
Separate
Look,
your
you took off his left.
and whenever you guys want to eat, you can add your dressing. With this way, you will keep it for longer.
Hey John, how's it looks like?
Perfect, Kyle. And if you add your dressing right now,
Yeah.
and if you cannot finish it today, it will probably not gonna be good for in 2 days or something.
Oh, just leave it like that.
So you just keep them separately, and then whenever you guys want to eat, you can add your.
Oh, keep it separately. That'd be
So
good one,
there's 2
huh?
tablespoons of tahini, a bunch of lemon, and then what else?
Olive oil
Uh-huh.
and salt and pepper.
Yeah, that's a good stuff.
Mine too.
Look at this one. I
Can I see yours?
already tossed my hands together. It's easy way
Kind of
to
like clay.
cultivate with the arugula. And let me just give it.
I mean, mine was almost
Oh,
the
that's fine.
same, so it should be fine. But if you guys wanna make it less thicker, you can always add like water, just a little bit.
Yeah,
Okay, water and not more olive oil, add water instead?
I wouldn't put more olive oil.
Okay.
looking good, Maureen. Yeah, you did a great job.
It looks like
Beautiful.
I can need more lemon juice because the tahini is almost
Yes,
thick.
and the taste.
Alright, this is perfect.
Good job. I think you like that, didn't you?
Alright, let's plate it up together.
Mine.
Hold the
I'm gonna
bowl.
grab a tongs. Yes.
Oh, look at that, Maureen.
I know, I want to see, I want to show them ours in a glass bowl. So we'll see.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
The bowl.
Alright.
Let me try.
Yeah, so
Oh, right.
that's why I said, oh.
Good. A bit more salt for me.
This we go.
Liz, do you want to say hi to my mom?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. Oh, hi, John's mom.
A beautiful taste.
Look. Oh, look.
Oh, hey there.
I love John. John, your siding is so cool. I love him.
She doesn't speak English, Liz. I have
Oh.
to translate.
I love John.
Don't you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that normally.
I'm gonna see how it goes
That
from
looks
here.
great. Oh my god, everybody made it amazing.
I'm like, oh wow. Okay, so I know pieces today.
I'm gonna make a nice salmon tonight with the
I can't believe that
salad.
way.
Oh,
Well, just in case about tahini with the arugula, the red onions, the pomegranate, or actually red tomatoes,
was trying to get
but
a
the
little
cucumber.
bit- Oh, we're done. On my plate.
Now you
Oh,
see, arugula salad with the Turkish summer one.
Are you done, Kyle?
Yeah.
Any more?
Can I see yours?
Oh, how's that?
Wow, wow, wow. That looks very nice.
Oh, pretty.
See, I got a whole bunch of that.
And oh my god, guys, I'm so happy that this just amazing. All of yours looks great.
Alright, there you have with our Turkish summer salad with arugula. So, hope you enjoyed that. It's, I tasted it. It's like tahini about the arugula, but everything's really well. If you're interested about the Turkish recipe, let me know in the comments below. We always before sharing, subscribe my channel, click the bell to see all the notifications about new videos and the latest video. So, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the salad.